Now heat a kadai and add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can even use butter instead. Now add in half teaspoon of maida and roast it on low flame for about 1 minute. After roasting it for a minute, add in 1 cup of milk into it and allow the milk to boil by stirring it continuously. So here you can see the milk has started to boil. Now here I'm going to adding in 2 to 3 teaspoons of mozzarella cheese. In case you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can even use the cheese slice or the regular processed cheese cubes. You can grate it and add in. Now continuously cook until the cheese gets melt. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Now give them all a good mix and cook the white sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes on high flame until it gets thickened. So here you can see our white sauce is ready. Now add in the boiled pasta and give it a good mix on high flame. So here our white sauce pasta is also almost done. So toss it on high flame for about 1 to 2 minutes and this is done.